Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Walleye, a favorite freshwater fish, truly shines when it's cooked on the grill. Its firm, flaky texture holds up beautifully to the heat, creating a wonderful experience. Grilling also imparts a fantastic smoky flavor, complementing its naturally delicate taste. Plus, it's a surprisingly simple and quick way to get a healthy, delicious meal on the table, perfect for any weeknight or weekend gathering. Before hitting the grill, proper preparation is essential for perfect walleye. First, make sure your fillets are fresh, whether you prefer them with the skin on or off. Next, and this is crucial, pat them thoroughly dry with paper towels. This helps them crisp up and prevent sticking. Finally, a simple seasoning of salt, black pepper, and maybe a little garlic powder is often all you need to let the fish's natural flavors shine. Getting your grill ready is key to successful walleye. Begin by thoroughly cleaning your grill grates. This removes any old residue and ensures a smooth surface. Then, oil those clean grates generously. You can use a paper towel dipped in high smoke point oil, like canola or grapeseed, to coat them well. Finally, preheat your grill to a steady medium-high heat, aiming for about 400 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it's ready for the fish. Now for the main event, grilling the walleye. Gently place your seasoned fillets onto the hot, oiled grates, ideally skin side down if they have skin. Cook them for about 3 to 5 minutes per side, adjusting the time based on how thick your fillets are. You'll know the fish is perfectly cooked when it easily flakes with a fork and reaches an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it's tender and moist. Once your walleye is cooked to perfection, it's time to enjoy. Use a wide, thin spatula to carefully lift the fillets off the grill, ensuring they stay intact. Serve them right away with a generous squeeze of fresh lemon juice, which truly brightens the flavor, alongside your favorite grilled vegetables or a crisp salad. This simple, delicious meal highlights the natural goodness of walleye, making it a truly satisfying dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.